Alright, we're at Homewerks. I don't like having to do homework. Oh, cool. It's the US elevator. It's still original. That's not open. I don't even know. Oh, this is like a home fixture design or store. Nice. Still original. Glad to see it. Oh yeah, still has the old buttons too. Awesome. Huh. Just a bunch of random fixtures. Come on, I want the down chime. You know what? I'll let it close. I want to get the down chime. There's a ceiling mount spectral at Advance. All right, here we go. Ah, I like that. All right, down to one. Huh, it like takes a second. Takes a few, like, you have to like properly like push it a little bit for it to actually register. But it is like touch sensitive, not like, it's not an actual contact back there. Or a micro switch. This is fully original. It isn't common to see a fully original soft touch. Sometimes you typically see them with the brails and buttons replaced, but you do not often see them fully original like this. So I'm glad this one is still here. Anyway, that's it.